which was the answer that you did wrote last? Which answer did we write last? Number? $19 was written, 1919. Okay, and what about 20? 20 also written. I cannot listen you properly, Chancy. थोड़ा loud बोलो. आ रही है लेकिन स्लो आ रही है. Okay. So now we are going to start with 21. This is the last question in short answers. इसके बाद long answers करेंगे. Okay. So write down question number 21. In which different things? In which different things was Harshvardhan, H capital, was Harshvardhan better than Pulkeshi 2? Better than Pulkeshi, again P capital, Pulkeshi 2. Put a question mark. I repeat the question. In which different things was Harshvardhan better than Pulkeshi 2? Question mark. There are you writing, beta? There. Turn on the mic. Rajya Guru, there, turn on your mic. Rajya Guru, there, the book in which you are writing, I want to see it on the screen. Show me your book. Turn on the mic and show me the book fast. There, you are wasting the time of other students, beta. I still cannot see Lakshya and Rutu. Any doubts in the question, anybody? Any doubts in the question? Okay, write the answer. Both the kings, answer 21. Both the question is, in which different things was Harshvardhan better than Pulkeshi 2? Okay, now comes the answer. Both the kings had some good qualities. Had some good qualities. Check the spelling. Both the kings had some good qualities. Full stop. Pulkeshi 2 was a brave and courageous warrior. Courageous, brave and courageous. Courageous meaning brave. दोनों का मीनिंग सेम ही होता है. ओके, courageous warrior. Full stop. While Harsh was, while WHILE, while Harsh, H capital, Harsh was kind king, a kind king for his people, for his people, full stop. In addition, comma, both were, both were lovers of art and architecture. Lovers, Lovers, lovers of art, art, and architecture. In addition, comma, both were the lovers of art and architecture. Full stop, complete. I am repeating the whole answer. Who was the In which different things was Harshvardhan better than Pulkeshi too? Answer. Both the kings had some good qualities. Pulkeshi too was a brave and courageous warrior, while Harsh was a kind king for his people. In addition, both were the lovers of art and architecture. Full stop, complete. Any doubts? Anybody? Any doubts? Okay. Now you will write another instructions. Give brief answers. अभी ये जो नंबर 21 तक था वो हमारा शॉर्ट आंसर्स था, आंसर इन 1 or 2 sentences. Now write the instructions. Give brief answers. Give brief answers. Ready with the instructions, all of you? Okay. Now write number 1. Did you write number 1? Okay, here comes your question, which I have already taken the screenshot. You will have to copy it. Just a minute. Okay, now I hope I am audible, all of you. Okay. See the question, give brief answer. Why was education imparted free of charge or free of cost in Nalanda University? This is the question. Okay. And the answer is education was imparted free of cost in Nalanda University as all the expenses were recovered from the revenue of 100 villages given to King Harshvardhan. This amount was used for the maintenance of the university. Is it properly visible, all of you? Okay. Start writing. I am giving you the time to write. And then you can copy question 2 also. What was the difference in the personalities of the two great kings, Pulkeshi II and Harshvardhan? You will write question 1, answer 1 and question 2. Ready for question number 2? I hope you have already written the question. Okay, we have to write the differences of personalities between Harshvardhan and Pulkeshi too. कि दोनों में क्या क्या differences थे. Actually both were good at their places. Both were working for the betterment of their people or their subjects. But as a person, as the behavior, there was a difference between the two. What is the question? What is the difference? That is our question. ओके तो इसके लिए अभी हमको क्या करना पड़ेगा. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल We will write about the personality characters of पुलकेशी 2. ठीक है, तो हम पहले लिखेंगे पुलकेशी 2 और उसके कैरेक्टर्स लिखेंगे, कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स. देन वी विल राइट हर्षवर्धन एंड देन उनके कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स. ओके, अगेन आई एम शेयरिंग द स्क्रीन विथ यू. पहले वीडियो ऑफ वालों को रिमूव कर दूं. ओके, चलो, रेडी फॉर द आंसर ऑल ऑफ यू. Okay, here comes the answer. Okay. Now this is how you have to write the answer. ये थोड़ा सा कट हो रहा है लेकिन शायद आप देख सकते हैं. आफ्टर राइटिंग द क्वेश्चन आप पहले लिखोगे यहाँ पर ऐसे कुछ पॉइंट नंबर 1 ऐसे कर देना और वहां पर लिख लेना पुलकेशी 2, फिर डैश करके अ ग्रेट वॉरियर, लवर ऑफ आर्ट्स, फॉलोवर ऑफ हिंदुइज्म. Then after that leave one line and write number 2, Harshvardhan. Again dash करके great administrator, believed in time planning, noble ruler. Noble means kind. वो हमने पहले भी लिखा है. If you want you can write in bracket. Noble meaning kind. Love for animals. आपको पता है ना उसने animal slaughtering ban करवा दिया था. He did not allow animals to be killed. This shows his love for animals. केयर फॉर पीपल, बहुत सारे आश्रम्स, वेल्स, ब्रिजेस, रोड्स बनाए थे, सो केयर फॉर पीपल. जनरस डोनर, ही यूज्ड टू डोनेट वेरी मच. Every 5 years in the religious conference, he used to do lot of donations. Then he was a great writer because he himself has written 3 books. याद आ रहा है? Naganand, Ratnavali and Priyadarshika. So he was a great writer. And knowledge of the importance of education. हमें कैसे पता चला कि he knew the importance of education? Yes, because he constructed Nalanda University and education, lodging, boarding, everything was given free of cost. So this shows his nature, this shows his characteristic that he gave importance to education also. Okay, so this is your answer. I'm giving you the time to write. You can copy the answer. Okay, now comes your number 3. Question number 3. Yes. इट्स ओके, दैट्स नॉट अ प्रॉब्लम क्योंकि हिंदी या गुजराती या संस्कृत वाला नेम जब आप इंग्लिश में लिखते हो तो इट मेक्स अ लिटिल डिफरेंस, A-E-I का डिफरेंस होता है. सो दैट्स नॉट अ प्रॉब्लम, चलता है. ओके ओके फाइन. चलो क्वेश्चन 3. हर्षवर्धन was अ ग्रेट डोनर. देखो यहाँ पर स्पेलिंग है ऑलरेडी. अ ग्रेट डोनर. Harshvardhan was a great donor. Full stop. Give reasons. Give reasons. Again put a full stop. I repeat. Harshvardhan was a great donor. Full stop. Give reasons. Full stop. This will be your question. Ready with the question, all of you? Okay. Now this answer I am marking in the textbook. Can you all see the textbook on the screen? Okay, here comes your answer. Every year, यहाँ से. Every year he organized a Buddhist religious meet, and every 5 years he would organize a huge religious congregation at Prayag. There he would donate generously till his entire treasury was emptied and would even give away the ornaments he would be wearing at the time. Up to at the time. This makes your answer 6.3. Any doubts? Anybody? Okay, you can start writing. Okay, now after you complete 6.3, ये 6.3 हो गया. उसके बाद होगा मेन क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. राइट अ शॉर्ट नोट. I think you all know what is a short note. ओके तो जैसे ही आप 6.3 कंप्लीट करोगे यू विल गिव द न्यू इंस्ट्रक्शंस. राइट अ शॉर्ट नोट. और उसमें नंबर 1 करके लिखोगे हर्षवर्धन. यहां तक आपका रेडी होना चाहिए. Because now we have very less time left. As soon as you complete the answer and keep the instructions for the next question ready, I think the lecture will get completed. तो इतना ready रखो ताकि next lecture we will directly start writing the short note. Okay, short notes we are going to write 3. One is Harshvardhan. Second कौन सा होगा? Obviously पुलकेशी 2. और थर्ड कौन सा हो सकता है? Any idea? No. Yes, it is Yoon Seng. Very good. Okay, so we are going to write short notes on 3 people. हर्षवर्धन, पुलकेशी and Yoon Seng. तो आप 6.3 लिखोगे. 7th का मेन इंस्ट्रक्शन लिखोगे. राइट अ शॉर्ट नोट एंड नंबर 1 हर्षवर्धन. उतना रेडी रखो ताकि टुमारो वी विल कैन स्टार्ट डायरेक्टली विद द आंसर ऑफ हर्षवर्धन. इन केस इफ द लेक्चर गेट्स कंप्लीटेड, ये स्क्रीनशॉट लेके रखो. अगर आपका थोड़ा एक आध लाइन रह जाता है और लेक्चर कंप्लीट हो जाता है तो स्क्रीनशॉट में से आप बाद में लिख सकते हो. फिर कल मुझे ये मत बताना कि मैडम लेक्चर हो गया, ओवर हो गया था, आई कुड नॉट कंप्लीट. नो, यू हैव टू कंप्लीट एंड दिस आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू अपलोड इन क्लासरूम. क्लासरूम में ये नहीं आने वाला है. मतलब अभी लेक्चर गया तो आपका वर्क गया. सो हैव अ स्क्रीनशॉट ऑफ दिस. एनी डाउट्स? Okay, fine. Start writing. After writing the title हर्षवर्धन, पॉइंट नंबर 1 आप 1 2 3 4 लिख सकते हो, ABCD लिख सकते हो, रोमन में लिख सकते हो या कोई भी स्टार या हैशटैग एरो कुछ भी आप डाल सकते हो, कोई भी बुलेट डाल सकते हो. राइट, बट आई वांट द आंसर टू बी रिटन इन पॉइंट्स. तो फर्स्ट पॉइंट होगा आपका ये वाला. King Harshvardhan was born in 606 CE. This will be your first point. पहले तो ये sentence लिखो. King Harshvardhan was born in 606 CE. Have you written this first point? Okay. Now the next point is over here. यहाँ see the paragraph given below the think box. You will start from here. हर्षवर्धन यहाँ से personally supervised the administration of his state by traveling extensively to different parts of his empire. He divided his daily routine into 3 parts. Up to 3 parts. Just a minute. एक मिनट बेटा, थोड़ा गड़बड़ हो गया. Yes. You will start from here. Up to 3 parts. लेकिन listen carefully. Harshvardhan personally supervised the administration of his state by traveling extensively to different parts of his empire. After full stop, empire के बाद यहाँ से आपका होगा थर्ड पॉइंट. पॉइंट नंबर 3, He divided his daily routine into 3 parts. समझ में आ रहा है all of you? After full stop you will change the point. तो ये वाला हमने लिखा point number 1. यहां पर आएगा point 2 and point 3. Am I very clear? Okay. We'll write up to 3rd point. Then from point number 4 we will write tomorrow. We still have 4, 5 points.